Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add overlay in VN. So here, I've already added the VN editor page, and if you want to add overlay into your photo or video, you can just click on this sticker option. Just click on it and choose video or photo. So I'm gonna add a photo overlay, this one's right here. So what you need to do is just the duration first that fits into your photo or video, and then I'm going to make it bigger like this so that it covers the photo or video like this. And then what you need to do next is browse over this option and then find the blending option, and here choose the blending option that you want to use. So I'm gonna just use the darken or maybe color burn, so you can adjust the opacity like this. Okay, I'm going to just use on that and then click on apply to all, or click on the check icon. Okay, so let's see the result. Okay, now the picture or video is having the overlay. So that's it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye bye.